Okay, so today we're gonna be making like Chipotle, but worse. So instead of fresh chicken thigh, we have delicious chicken sausage that I just diced up here. Very lovely. 3-day-old salsa that's still good, and it's got some pineapples in it. It's gonna be great. It was once better than Chipotle. And then we have some cilantro lime rice that we also made, just Chipotle style. And that's gonna be a great leftover meal. And so it's gonna be just like Chipotle, but worse. Frying pan with oil and then the lovely sausage. And give it brown a little bit, give it a little shimmy shimmy. And pretty soon it's gonna be delicious. Let's try this again. Plated our meal. This lovely salsa garnish. It's time to eat. You know, it might still be better than Chipotle.